Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing of this Ipega wireless gamepad or controller for iPhone. So, hi, you there? This is my puppy. He's one of the most attractive dog in the world. So, let's go on and unbox this one. So, let's start unboxing this one. Let's open this and yeah. Okay naman yung laman. You have to open this up. And this is the controller for our iPhone. So, as we can see, okay naman siya. Like, the packaging is okay. Nice and neat. Okay. Let's try to remove it from this one. Okay. Just be careful na hindi siya masira or what. So, let's open this one. And here it is. The controller. So, as you can see, it looks like an Xbox controller or PS4 controller. So, it's almost the same. I hope it will work well in my iPhone. Like, all of the games or all of the apps will be controlled by this. So, let's try this one. Okay. Yan. Ganyan na siya. Opening this one right now. And we will try to reach this up. Sadly, this doesn't work in some of the iOS games. And I don't have Android with me. I only have iPhone. That's why I cannot test this one in an Android because I've heard and I've watched some of the YouTube reviews that it works well. This controller works well in all of the Android devices except iOS, or maybe some of the iOS games can do the controller job in the iOS. So sorry guys if I cannot show it to you the game test of this one because I don't have any Android devices with me. So in iOS, these are the games that are playable. The only games are just few. Like, even if you used emulator with this one, some of the games are really not compatible with this controller. So, I think this works well in Android. Better if you have Android devices, you can use this one. Works perfectly fine. So, yeah, that's all guys. See you guys again into the next one.